Today's lesson, we are applying what we learned about percent of change to discounts, markups, and sales tax. Start with some vocabulary. Discount is a decrease in the price of an item. So discount, we're taking money off. For example, a pair of jeans that normally cost $29 are on sale at a 30% discount. What is the sales price of the jeans? So we have to start by finding the amount of the discount, and we can use our percent proportion to do this. So we know that we have a proportion. The 100 always goes here. That's our percent side. And we're taking off 30%. Now the original price of the jeans was $29. So that's our whole amount. So that goes there. And now we do our percent proportion. So we do 30 times 29, our cross multiplication. That will give us 870, and we divide that by 100, which equals $8.70. So that's the amount of money we're taking off of the jeans. Next, we subtract that amount from the original price, and that'll be our answer. So if we do $29 minus 870, that gives us a sales price of $20.30. So notice that here we multiplied, okay, our proportion first, and then here we subtracted. There's another way we can do this problem. So we need to uncover that. We can start by subtracting the percent of discount from 100%. Remember, our original price, $29, is 100% of itself. So if we take off, we do 100 minus that 30, equals 70%. So we are left with 70% of the cost of the jeans. So what we do, we use that percentage in our proportion, and this will give us our new price, which we already know is $20.30. Let's just try this out. So we have 100 there. Our new percent is 70. Remember, we're taking 30% off 100, gives us 70. The original is still the same. And if we work our cross multiplication, we will get 2,030. And then we divide that by 100. It will leave us, kind of mark it there, it leaves us with our sales price of $20.30. So subtraction first, then multiply or do the proportion. Either method done correctly gets you the right answer. Go with the one you understand best, but I do encourage you guys to practice this when we have the chance in class. Next, we have markup. Before we get there, we have a couple other terms to define. We have a wholesale price. This is the price at which stores buy items from a manufacturer. So imagine you go to, I don't know, go to a toy store and you want to buy a board game. Okay, the toy store does not make the game themselves. They have to buy the game from some company. The price they pay that company is the wholesale price. Then they turn around and they sell it to you, the customer, at a retail price. And if any store or company is smart, the retail price is higher than the wholesale price. Otherwise, they're going to lose money. So that change in price is the markup. The store marked up the wholesale price to the retail price. So for example, a store that sells skateboards buys them from a manufacturer at a wholesale price of $57. The store then marks them up 150%. What is the retail price of the skateboard? So first, we're going to find the amount of our markup. And again, our proportion can be used for this. So no matter what, our percents are always out of 100, even if they're over 100, like they are in this case. Still 150, it's over 100. The wholesale price, that's the original. Put it right there, 57. And we work our cross multiplication. And we will get 85.50. Mark this up. So 85.50. And then we divide that by 100 for a markup price, or markup amount, excuse me, of $85.50. Now, since we are marking this up, we add that price to the wholesale price. So we take the markup amount, $85.50, plus 57, which gives us our answer of $142.50. Now, like with discount, there is another way of solving this. So instead of subtracting this time, we are adding the percent of markup to 100%. So we marked it up 150%, and that's 100, and we get 250%. And what we'll do, we'll plug this in to our percent proportion. And this will get us right to our price of $142.50. So proportion again, 100 always goes here, even if the number on top is bigger. And that original price, that wholesale price, is still 57. And now we go through and we do 57 times 250. And this will give us 14,250. We turn around, we divide that by 100. And that gives us an answer of $142.50. So again, alternate way of solving it. Choose what you understand best and use it. Finally, sales tax. We should know from our experience in life that sales tax is an add-on to an original cost. So at a restaurant, we order a meal that costs $12, has a 5% sales tax. What is the total cost of the meal? You can use any of the methods that we have seen previously. This is an add-on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add that 5% to 100, which gives me 105%. In the proportion, that 105 goes over 100. The original bill was 12. Do our cross multiplication of 12 times 105, and it gives us 1,260. Divide that by 100 for a final answer of $12.60. If we did the other method, where we found the tax and added it on, well, original bill is still 12, 5% out of 100, 5 times 12 is 60. Divide that by 100 to give us 60 cents. Add that to our original bill of $12, and again, we will get $12.60. This concludes your lesson on discount, markup, and tax. We will practice this in class.